Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the connection to site is not secure Chrome error. Now the first thing you need to do to fix this issue is to open your Google Chrome. Now there are three methods we can use in order to remedy the issue, all of which can be found on Google Chrome settings. So to head there, just look for the three dots on your browser, give it a click, and then select Settings. Now here we're just going to look for Privacy and Security over on the left side of the screen, and then we're going to look for Security over here. Once you're there, just scroll down until you find the advanced options. Now our first method is to change our DNS provider. Here we're just going to select from this drop down, instead of OS default, we're going to change it to Google Public DNS. Now, if you've selected that and you notice that the site that you're trying to access is still prompting that error, you can also try disabling Always Use Secure Connections. You can do this by toggling this button off, and it should help you access these sites. Now, if for some reason you're still unable to access the site even after disabling this, you can always change the URL of the site that you're trying to browse by changing HTTPS to HTTP. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.